Change your mindset in just 7 days. You want to be successful, but you're not there yet. And if you're like a lot of people, you're wondering why your efforts haven't paid off. It's frustrating, especially if you've been reading books and trying recommendations. But there's good news. Your mindset is the key to success, and you can change your mindset. What do I mean by that? Well, mindset is the way you think about things. It's how you think about yourself, your efforts and abilities, and your place in the world. You know how you sometimes hear a voice in your head telling you things about yourself? We all hear it, and the problem is that it's rarely a positive voice. In fact, it can be a real jerk, but it doesn't need to stay that way. There are things you can do to change it, rewire it, and give it a positive spin. And guess what? When you do that, you can do anything. I want you to think about that little voice and what it says, and then watch my next videos. In them, I'll tell you how to change that little voice into something positive.